Hi there and welcome to Lasso Create. Today I'm doing an unboxing, which is super exciting. It is courtesy of My PunkBroidery. Amy and the team over at My PunkBroidery was kind enough to give a discount code for your 20% off if you are a registered customer. So if you head over there, take a peek and order something off their website and enter the code that I will drop below in the video, you'll get a 20% off of your purchase. So thank you, Amy and the team over at My PunkBroidery, for providing such great service. And they were kind enough to send me a surprise box so that I can make some upcoming projects. Now I have no idea what's in here. I did open the box. I took a little peek because I couldn't resist, but I decided that I wanted to open it up along with you. Okay, so you guys ready? Do you have your hot beverage of choice or cold beverage? So look at what we have here. Oh, it's a note. It says, Rebecca, thank you for doing videos, demonstrations with our products. We greatly appreciate your willingness to do that, and we do have weekly sales on Tuesdays where registered customers can receive 20% off or more off your purchase. The coupon code is case sensitive. The coupon is good on Tuesdays only. Let us know if there's anything else you may need or want to test. Thank you. There's a cute pen. I love the color. My colors, for sure. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's look at these vinyls. How fun is that? Matches the mat, doesn't it? Oh, this is so cool. It's like a pull fabric, I think. Let's see, yep. This is the flamingo pink glitter pull fabric. And then this one was the Spyro Gyra waterproof canvas. This says fairy flowers. Cut this open. Excuse the thunder outside. Oh, it's so pretty. Again, this was a fairy flowers. This is a neon pink vinyl. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. You'll have to drop in the comments what you'd like to see me make with some of these vinyls. And then this is hardware for an upcoming project that I will be making for you. It's a tutorial on the Freedom Hip Bag by Merge Patterns. And so I will be doing a tutorial and using one of these beautiful, beautiful vinyls. This one is a blue ocean bubbles in gold. Oh my, look at that. Gorgeous. Perfect for the beach, right? Maybe I'll make a freedom hip bag in this beautiful blue color. You'll have to stay tuned to see which one of these beautiful vinyls I'll use. Oh, there's so much more. This is the Dragon Scales TPU. And look at that. Has a little bit of pink, blues, and greens. There's the Crescent Rainbow. You guys ready? What? Look at that. How fun is that? Gorgeous. This looks like so much fun. Let's see this one. It's a Gecko's TPU. Oh my goodness. Cute southwestern theme, wouldn't it be? Right, this is the Aquamarine. Oh, that's gorgeous. Must know the colors I like from watching the videos. Thank you, Amy. And this is the Neon Yellow. Well, you'll certainly find a zipper pouch in that color, won't you? They're pretty and fun. These could go together really well. The last one, you guys ready? And this is the Floral Embossed in Hazelnut. Now, super excited about this one because Amy asked what off her website I really wanted to see to make with that Freedom hip bag, and I saw this and I just fell in love with it. I thought it was so gorgeous. Now look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right, well, I cannot wait to bring you along to make some of these projects with these fun materials. And if you haven't checked out My PunkBroidery, head on over to the website. They have so many beautiful things and also the hardware. So take a peek. And I wanted to just thank Amy again from My PunkBroidery and her team over there. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, stimulated your creative juices to go on and sew. Happy sewing!